I go to the gym. I go the gym.
I check in at the gym.
Great, I'll just scan your card.
I check in at the gym.
Perfect, you're all set. Have a good workout.
I put my bag in the locker. I put my bag in the locker.
I stretch before exercise. I stretch before exercise.
I run on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I lift dumbbells. I lift dumbbells. I ride the exercise bike. I ride the exercise bike.
I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle.
I drink water after my workout. I drink water after my workout. I take a yoga class. I take a yoga class. I wipe my face with a towel. I wipe my face with a towel.
I do jumping jacks. I do jumping jacks.
I do pull-ups. I do pull-ups. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I use the rowing machine. I use the rowing machine. I dance in the fitness class. I dance in the fitness class.
I do sit-ups. I do sit-ups.
I adjust the machine. I adjust the machine. I hit the punching bag. I hit the punching bag.
I jump rope for exercise. I jump rope for exercise.
I use the leg press machine. I use the leg press machine.
I do push-ups. I do push-ups.
I pull the cables. I pull the cables.
I take a short break. I take a short break.
I go home after the workout. I go home after the workout.